The James Webb Telescope represents one of the greatest advances in astrophysics and never ceases to amaze. Recently, this telescope has made a new discovery in our solar system. Although the solar system has not undergone significant changes, over the years, familiarity has led us to mistakenly believe that we have discovered everything in it. But in reality, space continues to expand, and new objects are appearing. The James Webb Telescope has captured some of these newly discovered objects. Michio Kaku, a renowned American theoretical physicist, also expresses amazement at these new and unknown objects traversing space. Given the appearance of these objects, the question arises as to whether this portends something positive. What is certain is that this marks a new stage of learning in the world of physical science. Join us as we explore the details of the 500 new objects recently detected by the James Webb Telescope in space. If you're interested in keeping up to date with news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to like this video, share it so it reaches more people, and turn on the notification bell. NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency have teamed up to give astronomers an unprecedented gift: the James Webb Space Telescope. This extraordinary gift offers them the opportunity to observe the past in its early stages, and we can say, witness the very creation of the universe. Astronomers around the world were transported to the limits of time thanks to the James Webb Telescope, which has been hailed as the most outstanding stellar observatory of the next decade and one of the greatest scientific achievements of our time. This telescope has opened the doors to outer space and taken us to the origins of everything. From low Earth orbit, the James Webb Telescope has captured numerous images of the most distant regions of the universe, offering views never before witnessed. Like the Hubble telescope, it has succeeded in capturing the historical periods of our universe, examining the history and evolution of countless galaxies, stars, and nebulae. Scientists working with the James Webb Telescope have announced a fascinating discovery when they began collecting data using the new Deep Fields telescope. They realized that there may be many more distant galaxies than they had previously anticipated. This gives us valuable information about how the universe is producing galaxies at a faster and earlier rate than previously thought. It turns out that just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, many galaxies already existed. James Webb has given us access to observe how it all began. Some scientists have even suggested that galaxies may have begun to form only 100 million years after the Big Bang, which occurred nearly 14 billion years ago. This discovery challenges astronomers' existing theories about how and when galaxies formed, which is one of the features that makes the James Webb Telescope far superior to the Hubble telescope. One of the most outstanding advantages of the James Webb Telescope compared to the Hubble telescope is its size. The James Webb has a 6.5-meter mirror composed of 18 gold-plated hexagonal pieces. This allows it to capture light from objects 6 times more efficiently than the Hubble telescope's 2.4-meter diameter lens. But the James Webb's greatest advantage over Hubble lies in its high sensitivity to infrared light. This telescope can detect wavelengths in a range from 0.6 to 28.5 micrometers, covering the middle to the red end of the infrared spectrum. This significantly expands our ability to explore and understand the universe in different bands of light, revealing details and phenomena that were previously hidden. The James Webb Space Telescope plays an essential role in uncovering the many mysteries of the universe by capturing the spectral signatures of celestial events. This telescope allows scientists to explore extreme environments that give rise to these cosmic phenomena. One of the most intriguing enigmas that has emerged is the appearance of unknown objects in our solar system. Although it is normal for our solar system to receive occasional visits from objects like Oumuamua, we have never before witnessed such a remarkable influx of stellar visitors. This sudden increase in visitors and the discovery of 5 new, unidentified objects in our solar system have left many scientists and astrophysicists puzzled. These celestial bodies pose an intriguing mystery to scientists. Despite rigorous observations and analysis, they have yet to be identified and categorized. However, they still represent a fascinating variety of celestial entities, ranging from the most familiar asteroids and comets to unknown and potentially novel objects that have found their way into our solar system. The sheer diversity and quantity of these unidentified objects offer an exceptional opportunity for scientific exploration and discovery. Despite the challenges they represent, they are a promising field of study that can provide valuable insights into our solar system and beyond. At the same time, these unknown objects could pose significant threats. That is why the importance of the James Webb Space Telescope lies in its ability to unravel the formation and evolution of our solar system by studying trajectories, properties, and composition of these new objects that have appeared in our cosmic neighborhood. Analyzing the physical characteristics of these unknown, space-crossing objects would help us gain valuable insights into the process that has shaped our solar system over billions of years. In addition, by examining their orbital patterns and gravitational interactions, scientists could better understand the complex dynamics that have influenced the formation and behavior of these objects that now call our solar system home. In addition, going beyond our own solar system promises a deeper understanding of the formation and evolution of other solar systems. With this knowledge, researchers will be able to draw parallels and comparisons with objects observed in distant stellar systems. The detection of these objects may also contribute to our understanding of the distribution of matter in the universe. Examining the location of the orbits and the properties of these new stellar objects is crucial for astronomers to redefine existing models and theories about the large-scale structure of the cosmos. These observations give us valuable insight into how matter is distributed on a universal scale, which expands our understanding of the composition and organization of the universe. Interestingly, the detection of these objects may provide relevant information about the nature of dark matter. One of the most enigmatic components of the known universe, dark matter constitutes a significant portion of the total mass of the universe, and understanding its interactions and effects on its environment is fundamental to obtain clues about its presence and behavior. Through this research, we can now contribute to solving the persistent mystery of dark matter and improve our understanding of its properties and its role in the universe. The detection of these 500 unknown objects in space may also shed light on the nature and influence of dark energy, which is the driving force behind the accelerating expansion of the observable universe. While the discovery of 500 new objects in our own solar system is exciting in its own right, it raises questions about their origin. One of the most intriguing theories suggests that they may have been ejected from black holes. Black holes are one of the most fascinating phenomena in our cosmos and, to a large extent, remain an enigma to us. They are celestial entities formed by the collapse of massive stars and possess such a powerful gravitational force that they can disrupt nearby objects and hurl them farther out into space. If these unknown objects were ejected from the solar system due to the influence of a black hole, it would be a testament to the enormous power that these cosmic objects exert. Black holes not only have the ability to swallow unfortunate bodies in their wake, but also eject material that has not yet entered the event horizon layer, like a space tornado. The intense tidal force exerted by black holes can tear apart stars or any other planetary body, creating a tumultuous environment in which fragments are violently ejected. In this sense, the question arises as to whether black holes have the capacity to also eject materials that have been trapped inside them rather than holding them infinitely. This scenario raises a fascinating possibility that black holes are not only devourers, but also drivers of matter into commuting space. Well, what do you think? Let us know in the comments box. Remember to hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching the video, and see you in the next one.